everyone's standing out here asking me what I'm doing?
Because when someone comes in the office and says someone's going out there looking in the patrol cars, we don't know, sir, if someone's going to break into a patrol car.
I'm just coming to talk to you, man.
For what?
People are just concerned because you have a gun on you.
Not a problem. I just noticed it. All right.
I appreciate it. We're here to just give you what you want. You're asking for a public records request.
Yes, sir. Because this is not a game, sir. The First Amendment is not a game.
You're right. I agree.
Okay, so then.
Welcome back to Mr. White, where we uncover the truth and stand firm for citizens' rights. Today we're diving into some intense and eye-opening encounters. Watch as law enforcement, unprepared and overstepping their authority, get set straight in dramatic showdowns on the streets of America. These aren't just stories. They're lessons in courage and the power of knowing your rights. Did you know? Over 30,000 complaints of police misconduct are filed every year in the US. These clips serve as a stark reminder of the importance of standing up and knowing your rights. You'll find all channel links featured in today's video in the description below. Be sure to check them out, subscribe, and let them know Mr. White sent you. No more waiting. Let's jump right into these powerful moments that show how knowledge can truly be your strongest defense.
How's it going, sir?
How you, sir?
All right.
What we up to today, bud?
Just what's happening, man. Just out here practicing my right to damn be in public recording. First Amendment, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. How you say you?
I'm Officer Lawless with the Cleveland Police Department.
all right.
You got any ID on you so I can identify who you are?
Oh yeah, of course I do.
You mind if I see it, please, sir?
If you're asking, no.
Okay.
No. I have to pass on that, man.
All right, well, look, the bank is, look, you can be where you are, okay?
Right.
That ain't no problem. The bank is asking you not to record the bank for obvious reasons, okay? So you can be here and record in public. They just don't want you recording back towards the bank.
Right, but they can't really trespass my eyes, man.
Do what now?
They can't trespass my eyes. You got no expectation of privacy.
You
know what I'm saying?
Yep, you are in a public place.
All
right?
Yeah.
I get that, and there's nothing wrong with that. They're just asking that you don't record the bank. That's all they're asking.
Yeah.
And I'm not.
I get it. I get that concern. 100%.
Be careful. Don't keep backing that way, okay? I don't want you backing into the road.
Oh no! I just don't want to be too close.
Yeah, you're good. I got you on that. All right. I just, like I said, they just don't want you recording the bank because I think they fixing to do some maintenance or something somewhere right out here on side the bank. Like
I see him messing with the ATM over there.
Right. I think it's just making them a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'm not here to get no personal information or anything like that. So.
All right, and I see you carrying, right?
Yeah.
All right. Not a problem. I just noticed it. All right. When
I
you
appreciate
moved
it.
on.
Yep.
So
I appreciate it.
There again, if you would just not record while they doing their stuff, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, and you won't let me see your ID so I can make a report.
No, sir.
So I'll have to do every time we go on a call of service, we have to do a document just saying who we talked to and that kind of thing.
Citizen.
Right, it is.
Yeah.
So can I see your ID just so I can make a report saying, hey, I talked to you?
You can put down good citizen.
Good citizen?
Yeah, yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah,
So,
I appreciate it. Lolis?
Yeah, Officer Lawless.
Officer Lolis? All right.
Yep.
What's your badge number, sir?
I don't have a badge number.
All right, no call number or anything like that?
C30, that's all I can tell you.
All right. That works, man. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
What's up, brother? I'm all right. How you doing? I don't carry it with me. Don't carry it with me. In case I'm illegally detained, y'all find out who I am.
Huh?
In case y'all illegally detain me and find out who I am.
Man, I just want to see your ID because you on our property.
It's
look. I know, but you looking in the windows of cars.
Yeah, because I can see them.
Yeah, I know you can see them, but you don't know if those are personal cars or not. Those might be personal cars.
Well, but even if they are personal, I can still look in them.
You can't be looking in the window like that.
I can. It's public.
Yeah.
There's no.
So where your ID at?
I don't have it on me.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have it on me.
I know. I asked you where it was at.
Where I left it, I don't really get what you're asking me that for. There's no legal obligation if you're asking me where my ID is right now. And you know I'm correct. Like, I don't want to be a dick about it, but there's no legal obligation for it. So I just don't have it on me.
Well, we have a legal obligation that
You're really close to me, officer.
We can check your name, check your identity, make sure that you are who you say you are.
What's your name?
I'm Sheriff Mueller, sir.
And your name?
To make sure that you're not wanted.
I'm not wanted. Do you suspect me of being wanted?
Sir, right now we don't know who you are.
I've been just going to stay that way until you have a legal obligation to find out who I am.
We got a legal obligation.
No, you don't. You just want, that's a personal obligation. You just want to know
That's
who I
not a
am.
personal
I haven't
obligation,
committed a
sir.
crime, so I don't have to tell you who I am.
Sir, you're out here going and looking in vehicles.
Which is a First Amendment protected activity. I can film in public. All this is public.
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay, so
You
then
can
if you
film
know
in
that,
public.
why are we having this conversation, officer?
We have a lawful right to inquire. When people say there's a suspicious person walking through the parking lot filming, we have an obligation to at least come and check you out, sir. And that's simply what the officers are doing.
Tell my attorney stay tuned in, please.
You can film all day, sir. We're not
with that being
objecting
said,
to
officer,
your filming.
Okay,
We're
so
not
with that being
objecting
said,
to
with all due respect, if you say I can film all day,
Yes, sir.
why is it everyone's standing out here asking me what I'm doing?
Because when someone comes in the office and says someone's going out there looking in the patrol cars, we don't know, sir, if someone's going to break into a patrol car.
I have no ill will
If
intent
someone's
out
going
here.
to steal a patrol car, it happens. And so we have a lawful obligation to come out and inquire and check and make sure that everything is okay. And if everything is okay, we go about our business, you get to go about yours, and everybody has a great day.
Well, that's what's about to happen. I have no ill will intent. I'm not telling y'all my name. I don't want to break in any car. I don't want to get in any car. I'm not touching a car. I'm just taking pictures and videos, which is a lawful activity. So what's the purpose? But it's not a felony nor misdemeanor, and you know that. But it's not. Is that a
right to investigate as law enforcement?
a-
We have every right
investigate
to
a
do that
crime?
and ID you. No, we don't.
If a crime has been
With terroristic threats in our country today.
So now you're saying I'm a terrorist?
No, that's what I'm saying. With terroristic threats.
No, I'm a tourist.
When we
I'm a
tell
tourist.
citizens,
I'm not listening anymore.
when we
Thank you.
tell citizens to contact something, you see something, say something. If you see people doing suspicious things, reach out to law enforcement. And so it's not normal for people to walk through and film. In this parking lot, it's not normal to walk around and film around a nuclear station or around any high secure area. This is a facility here. We don't know if you're filming something to plan or prepare a jailbreak for somebody.
But until
So
you
we
have
a
proof that
lawful
that's what I'm
obligation.
doing, you have no right to
No,
talk
that's
to me,
not. That's
officer.
not true, sir.
That is true.
That's not true.
If I haven't broken a crime, you have
We
no
have a
legal
right to
come
check
ask me who I
and
am.
make sure that you are not plotting and planning something against this facility, which holds a court venue.
Okay.
And so we have this inside this building. There's courtrooms, sir,
Which are open to the public.
which are open to the public, but you're not allowed to take a camera into that area.
But I'm
And
outside,
You can't
officer.
film.
So why'd you bring up the inside if I'm outside?
I'm telling you,
You
that's
just
why-
reaching now,
no,
officer.
I'm
I've done
not
nothing
reaching.
wrong,
I'm not
and you
reaching.
know that. I've
I'm
done
not
nothing wrong,
reaching.
and everyone out here knows I've done nothing wrong. You're reaching for
We're
something.
not reaching for anything.
You are reaching, but it's not a crime.
You're suspicious.
But it's not a crime.
We
We
investigate
have
a lot
not
of
told
suspicious
you.
crimes.
Have you been told that you committed a crime?
Can I ask you a question? The only important question that I want to ask you: Am I being detained?
You're not being
Absolutely.
detained. Have a great day.
Talk to you later, brother.
The cameraman did an excellent job documenting the entire situation, but pause for a moment and consider how many innocent people face daily violations of their civil rights by officers who don't fully understand the law. According to a 2023 study, over 18,000 complaints about police misconduct were reported in the US within just 1 year. The alarming truth is that not everyone has the ability to protect themselves by recording such interactions. Videos like today's are more than just isolated stories. They are shining examples, wake-up calls, and proof of the power of understanding your rights. What do you think about this situation? Leave a comment, hit like, and join the discussion. This is why awareness and action matters so much.
What's the problem?
Let's dive into the next video.
What's the problem, man?
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going?
Oh, you know, I'm just out here filming. These guys are calling the cops on us, I guess. Can I get your name and badge number?
Yeah, my name's right here, man.
All right.
Cool.
What is it, man? It's
you on
covered.
probation and parole or anything, dude?
I don't answer questions.
What was that?
I don't answer those type of questions, man. What's wrong with you?
What's up with the gun on your hip?
I don't have a gun, man.
What is that?
I don't answer questions, man. You can see with your eyes, man. I don't got to answer those questions, man. If I'm on probation or parole, then go ahead and take me to jail for violation.
Just don't reach for it, all right?
I'm not reaching for anything. Are you reaching for something?
No.
All right. Well, don't reach for it, all right?
Sounds good.
What's the problem, man?
How can we help you today?
I didn't ask for help, man. If I would have asked for help, I would have called 911 and got you guys out here, but I didn't do that. What's your name and badge number?
My name's Deputy Buzz. Badge number is 9641.
Thank you. What's your ID number?
10212.
10212?
Yep.
All right.
I've talked to you before.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you want?
Nothing. I'm just coming to talk to you, man.
For what?
People are just concerned because you have a gun on your hip.
I don't have a gun on my hip, man. I already explained that to you.
So is it a fake gun?
It's not a gun, man. You already looked at it. You want to look again? Want to look again?
Oh, it's a taser.
Okay. All right. You
Gotcha.
satisfied now? I don't got a gun, man.
Okay.
I don't carry guns, man. I don't have a concealed weapon permit. I don't have an open carry. California's not an open carry state.
Okay.
And it's not a stop and ID state either.
Okay, yeah, just someone said that they saw you with a gun, so that's why we're here talking to you, man.
Well, I'm just complying, man, so you guys do your job from here on out. Have a good day. You could go ahead and call it code 4, man. Here comes another unit. Go ahead and call it through, man. Code 4. It's not a code 4?
I'm sorry?
It's not a code 4? Here comes another unit, man.
That's ambulance.
No, there's another unit that just pulled up right behind you. He's going to sneak up behind you and you don't know it?
So what do you guys got going on the rest of the day?
I don't answer those type of questions, man. What are you trying to figure me out for?
What was that?
What are you trying to figure me out for? I don't get it.
I'm just talking to you, man.
Well, I choose not to answer any questions. Does that answer anything for you?
I'm just talking to you, man.
Right on, man.
It's a taser.
That's it?
Yep.
Yeah, that's it, tough guy. Get out of here.
All right, have a good day, sir.
All right, get out of here. Yeah, this guy was ready to grab.
Name the 5 facets of the First Amendment.
Sir, we're not going to do this. Sir, we're not going to do this.
Why not?
Because we don't need to do this.
But you don't need to, but you should. You should be able to just go boom, boom, boom,
Right.
boom.
And we
boom.
don't have to explain
What are they?
them to you, sir. We
Do
don't
you
have
know
to
them?
Explain this to you, sir. He
So
knows
you don't know
sir.
them. Dude, you're Italian, and you don't know the First Amendment, dude.
Sir, he knows it.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
So then why doesn't he say it?
He's been doing this for quite a while.
So then
now.
why doesn't he say? Why
Because
why would he
doesn't
say
need
it?
to. We're not playing games.
Come on,
sir,
man.
Okay. You came here. For
This is not a game, sir.
You came here
The
for-
First Amendment is not a game.
You're right. I agree.
Okay, so then
It's very important.
why can't you
In fact,
guys just
that's why it's
prove
the first.
to everybody watching that you all know the First Amendment?
Because we don't need to go ahead and play this game with you, sir. You came here for
I'll give you a
public
start,
records
okay?
request.
Freedom of
I'm more than
speech,
happy-
number 1. What's number 2?
Just,
Go ahead.
sir,
Go ahead.
sir, we're not going to do this.
What's number 2, Officer Hebert?
It's Officer Hebert.
Yes, sir.
We're not going to do this.
Why not? In all this time, you could have said them, and I would have been gone. But because you guys don't know them, see, this is the problem. You guys don't know the First Amendment. 17 years, you said, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After 17 years of service, Officer Hebert, can you state the First Amendment?
I can, but I don't need to.
You're a liar, sir.
I need to? I need to for you.
Yes.
You're ordering me to give
Well,
you
seeing as you work for the people, you should prove to the people that you know the laws that you're enforcing. So, I'm going to ask you guys again. What is the First Amendment, young man?
Sir, we're not going to
My
do
young
this.
Italian friend.
Sir, we're not going to do this.
Because you don't know.
If you want
How
to-
embarrassing. Guys, do you see this? 17
Sir, if you-
years.
if you would like your public
17
records
years, and you
you're more than
can't
happy to
name
go
one.
through your invoices
See,
to
this is
the
what you're
hall,
learning from,
and they will
okay?
upload it to-
They don't care about the First Amendment. That's why he don't know it. Okay? You don't. You just said that on camera. Perfect.
Yeah,
He doesn't care at all
You're right, I
about
don't.
the First
You're
Amendment.
right, I don't.
Who's your sergeant?
And in fact,
Who's your sergeant,
you've been
Officer
exercising
Hebert?
your First Amendment
Yes,
since the
sir.
moment you got
I
here.
have.
Not very politely. However,
I don't
still
have to be
treat you
polite.
your
Actually, I've been
rights.
pretty polite, actually.
No, you don't, because none of us have a right to not be disrespected, and you've been pretty disrespectful.
You have a right not to be disrespected.
You do
Really?
Not, you do not have a right
Really?
to not be disrespected.
That you use 2 negatives in a sentence. That's
Right.
like second grade grammar that most 4-year-olds know how to do.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
okay. So,
That's fine.
are you admitting you don't know the First Amendment?
That's not what I'm admitting at all.
So tell me one other thing other than the
I don't need to do this. I'm not
freedom of
playing your
speech,
game, sir. This
because
is
you
fine.
don't know.
All right.
Okay. What's
Sir,
the
you're more than welcome
What's
to
the
go pay
fourth?
for
I'm
your
making it
public
easy.
records request.
What's the Fourth
You're
Amendment?
more
There's
than
only one
welcome
part
to
of the
go
Fourth
pay your
Amendment.
public records request, so that pay the invoice for it, so that
You
we
guys can leave anytime you want.
You're right, we can.
What's the First Amendment?
Are you gonna go pay it or
Name
not?
any amendment, officer.
You have
Any
a
amendment.
wonderful day.
I would
I hope
any
you get
amendment.
Exactly what you're looking
Come on, how
for,
about you? How
but
about
we're
the
not here to
second?
play
You know what the
games.
second is?
We're not here
No,
to
you don't
answer
know
your
shit.
political
Okay,
questions
it's not
or
political.
your-
This
or
is
your-
this
or
is
your-
law.
or
This
your
is
questions
stuff
on
you
the
guys are supposed to know.
Constitution. We do know it.
Well, prove it.
We do know it.
Prove it.
I prove it every day in the streets.
No, you don't.
Yes,
You're proving it right now that you guys are trash.
You have a wonderful day.
You're trash, man. You don't know anything about the fucking law.
Thank you, sir. You have a great day.
You know nothing about the law, Hebert. Hey, who's your sergeant, by the way, Hebert?
Hernandez.
Hernandez? Is that a woman?
Hernandez and Sergeant Lynch.
What's first names?
Sergeant Hernandez and Sergeant Lynch.
Is that the only Hernandez in the department?
I believe it is, yes.
Sergeant Hernandez and
Lynch.
Lynch.
Yes, sir.
Gotcha.
You have a wonderful
They're
day.
going to love to see this.
You have a wonderful day.
Their 17-year vet doesn't know the Constitution, and the new guy also
Not reciting
doesn't
for
know
you
the.
doesn't mean I don't know it, sir.
Well, then prove it.
You have a wonderful day.
You don't know shit, dude. You guys are just, you like to bust balls. You're trash, dude. You're both trash. Both trash. doing that walk of shame, boy.
It's revolting, shameful, and deeply saddening to witness individuals sworn to uphold the law fail to understand the very principles they pledged to protect. According to a 2023 study, over 30% of police officers in the US could not correctly answer basic questions about rights protected by the First Amendment. This not only erodes public trust, but also sets a poor precedent for future generations of officers. A supervisor with 17 years of service, an experience level that should inspire confidence in their knowledge and professionalism, cannot clearly articulate what the First Amendment entails. This isn't just personal disappointment, it's a stark wake-up call for training systems and supervisory accountability. The question remains, how can we expect justice to be upheld when those entrusted to protect it don't fully understand our fundamental rights? Share your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe to help spread this vital awareness. See you in the next video where we'll continue to shed light on issues that demand attention.